Today's lesson is setting up a Canva account. So make sure you're on the website for Canva, C-A-N-V-A. Go ahead and click on Education. Then we're going to sign up with email. Go ahead and type in both your first and last name and your school email. Should be your first initial, last name, 4 numbers at student.rcschools.net. It's going to ask you to type it in again. Make sure you type it in exactly the same. Then it's going to ask you your password. Make your password your 7-digit lunch number. Go ahead and click I am not a robot. And it's going to ask you a series of questions. Your questions may look different than mine. Go ahead and answer the security questions and click Next. Answer all security questions. Until you are in. It may ask you several security questions. Once you are verified, go ahead and click Sign Up. Once you are in, go ahead and click Student. Go ahead and click Skip Inviting Team Members. Now you are ready to begin.